I don't know if you guys have ever seen this RV.
Like, do you see this? We look like we are a hourglass figure.
A hammock? They see me rolling.
Top 3 of my all-time favorite collections that Ryderwear has ever dropped.
Come on, Carol Baskin.
Hi, I'm Karissa Nichole. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for vlogs, fitness, and fashion content. Let's get to this video.
Good morning, you guys. Happy mother freaking Monday. It is 9:16 currently. I just got back from the gym, so hopefully you don't mind that post-workout glow. I haven't even made my protein shake yet because I'm so excited to share with you guys a couple of pieces from Ryderwear. They just dropped a new collection today, September 21st. In the US, I'm pretty sure it is going to be live at 4:30 p.m. So I'll make sure I let you guys know on my Instagram so you guys can get first dibs at it. But if you're watching this YouTube video, it's probably gonna go up a few days later, so it's already up. I am sipping on a homemade that I made myself, Karissa vegan pumpkin spice latte. So the Glow collection offers sports bras, crop tops, which I'll show you guys in a second, leggings, which I'll also show you, and then they also have like a long sleeve cropped compression top, and the shorts, which you guys already see. So that is everything that's in the collection. There's 4 different colorways. There's aqua mint, there's a watermelon, there's black, and there's ladder, which is like a really pretty nude color. This is literally the cutest collection. I honestly have to say, I think it's probably in like the top 3 of my all-time favorite collections that Ryderwear has ever dropped. This is so what I'm wearing right now is the sports bra and the shorts. This is in the color watermelon. What a cute color name. It actually looks like watermelon too. And I just love all of the different like contrasting that it has. The white with the red, it really makes it pop. It's so gorgeous, so comfy. It is everything. I have all of the different colors except for the latter one, which I'm definitely gonna be ordering, but I just wanted to show you guys. And like I said, I have try-on bits right here for you to see. But the sports bra I'm obsessed with. It literally does like keep you in there, but it's not restrictive at all. Like, you know, it's very lightweight and breathable. And I do like how it is a cropped sports bra. It's not a super long one. Ryderwear does offer a huge variety of like longer sports bras, shorter sports bras. I like this one being more cropped because it does come with the matching crop tops that you can have to add on top if you want more of the length. But for me personally, my favorite spot on me is this spot right here. Like, I feel fit, I feel strong, I feel good, okay? Under here, this is what we want covered, the little pouch. We want her to be tucked away. But these are so convenient and not to mention so cute to add on top if you're gonna go run errands or if you need something to do that day, or you just wanna go from gym to your normal day without having to shower. Just throw this on top and you're good to go for the day. I literally love these. I got them in every single color, as you guys will be able to see. And I love how it's a quick dry fabric, so soft, like, ugh. And then for the shorts and the leggings, they're pretty much the same exact thing. They are compression, they are a quick dry fabric as well. And these lines here just make your body so contoured. Like, do you see this? We look like we are a hourglass figure. And it does it down the bum too, hi. It really accentuates those curves. This is just like so perfect for making you look slim, thick. So the difference between the shorts and the leggings, here's the leggings. These have a V tapered back, but they still have the lines that go all the way down. And can you see how the lines already accentuate the curves? It sucks your waist in, gets it nice and snatched, and then look at that. The outline literally goes like this. These leggings are a full length, so if you want to crop them a little bit and roll them up one, it'll be like a 3/4 length. That's what I personally like to do, but if you are somebody that is into the full length leggings, this is them. And this fabric is literally like a glove to your body. It is going to suck you in, keep you nice and compressed without being restrictive, of course. It is so breathable and easy to move around in. I did leg day today. I was doing squats, I was doing hip thrusts, I was doing Bulgarian split squats. I was moving all over the place in these shorts, and they kept me all tucked in, which is so necessary. And then I do not have the long sleeve crop top to show you guys, but I definitely am going to be ordering that because I want it. I'll pop up a picture right here to show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, this is the color watermelon. Literally obsessed. I think this one is probably my favorite. This black one is so essential because you cannot have have too many black pieces in your wardrobe. So I have the black in the leggings and the sports bra. This is black on white contrast, so gorgeous. And then I also have the matching crop top in black, workout top or not. Like I would wear this with some denim shorts or something because it's just so basic. And then I also got this color in aqua mint, which is so gorgeous. It's a really pretty Tiffany blue mint color. And the color contrasting on this one is this lime yellowish color, which is so cool and different. I actually have a pair of leggings that are this color, and I think that would be so cute to pair the two together. So that's everything I got from the collection. I was seeing people, and I'll insert pictures, mix matching this with the latter color. So cute. Mixing the black and the coral, like they just go together perfectly. Especially since they both have the white contrasting, like that would be, look at this. If I took the sports bra off and put the black one on with these red shorts, like it's a vibe. And then of course you could always mix match the crop tops too. So I have this set on if I wanted to throw on the black crop top on top. Of course you can do that. It's not about, what is going on? All right, just give me a second. Okay. But yeah, see how perfectly this just goes together? I love it. And I love how the back still shows off the crisscross detailing of the sports bra. So yeah, make sure you guys use my code Karissa10. Get you some Ryderwear to wear in the gym. I promise it just makes your workouts so much better. I wear Ryderwear every single day. All right, so that is it for that. I have so much work to do today, and I also want to scrub this house clean. I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but we are a little bit messy. The floors just need a deep clean. I need to deep clean the kitchen, the counters, the appliances. I just want to have like a nice fresh clean house. So I think I'm gonna work on that today. Also some laundry and just getting stuff done around the house. Maybe lay out for a little bit. It's 9:30, it's still early. We have all day today. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go make a protein shake and finish my coffee and watch some YouTube for a little bit. That's my favorite thing to do every single morning. I just got dressed. I'm going to hang out with my mom and dad and brother and Sierra and Sam tonight, watch some UFC fights and play a bunch of games. So I did stop at the store and get a few things that I'm bringing there. Phase 10, got some gum. This is the best gum, the green ice cubes. I got 2 of these because they're so good. So these taste literally identical to Cheez-Its. Some vegan marshmallows because we're making s'mores. And then I got some candy corn. I got these games. So this first one, and I'll show you guys us playing later, but this is called Bad Aim, Shoot It, or Do Censored. So basically you have this target with little Nerf guns, and then you shoot at the things, and whatever you get you have to do, and it's like funny things. Like for example, one of them is bad breath, so you have to go around and smell everyone's breath and say whose breath smells the worst. So Sam, brush your teeth. And then I also got this game, which is called what is this called? It's called Beat That, the Bonkers Battle of Wacky Challenges. So it just gives you a bunch of challenges, and everybody has to do it, and then you place your wagers and your bets. Like the point of it is you try to win as many challenges as possible. So this is like a Big Brother vibe, okay? So we're doing that, and that's all I have. Oh, I'm also gonna bring my kombucha. I got the Third Eye Chai. This is the best one. I also tried the mojito one, but it's not as good. I think Sam's making a protein shake, and we're gonna head out. And of course, Pickle, do you wanna go bye-byes? We're gonna bring baby Pick Stick so we can go see his cousins, okay? Go see Gam, see Poppy, Callie, Skippy, Peppa. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay guys, so we're walking up to my parents' RV, and my, hi sister! Wow! Look at this! hottest on the block. It's nice and cool. I thought it was gonna be super hot.
It's covered, yeah.
So nice. Over here, Bubba. Go pee in here. A hammock?
Right. Well, it goes like in the it goes like diagonal like this, but we're still doing this.
The mopeds. They see me rolling.
This is where
If I came here and we're not gonna play games, I'm gonna be very angry.
Oh, Dad has the key. What's in there? TV. There's an outside TV? Yeah. This is what his plan was.
Is the TV on that? Or you have to like take it out and set it all up? It flips up to the TV, right?
And then I don't know if you guys have ever seen this RV, because we had an old one. Hi! Hello! Oh my gosh. Calm down. So this is this RV. Some chairs, TV, desk, and office area. Kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, shower. Very nice. Hey, calm down. There's a TV here. There's like closet space. Look at the fireplace. There's Austin. Do you have a tan line? Oh, it was your shadow. And then here's the kitchen, and I love this little area because you can sit here and then overlook the TV area. It's almost the same. Come on! Wow, this is so amazing. You gonna come outside, Poppy? You hate the outside? You hate the outside? Come on. Come on. He hates out here.
He hates it, but yet
He wants to be with his friends.
Yeah.
Disrespectful. Hey. Disrespectful. Guys, you have to play this game. It's called Beat That. It's so fun.
He's going all in.
Oh my god.
Single blow. Come on, Carol Baskin.
3 feet away, it said. That is.
That's 3 foot, dude.
You got 3 attempts.
Can you turn the cup a little bit, sir? Right there.
You might want to line it
You
up.
go
Right
back.
Yeah,
we
go
go closer.
closer.
Oh! What's up?
Are you kidding me?
What's up? Give me my money.
Oh god. Hold the cup on the crown of your head. You have 3 attempts to toss a ball into the cup.
Oh, that's hard. 3 attempps. 1,
Here we go.
2, 3, go. This counts.
Oh, he's gonna get it.
How many was it front? Did it
That's
hit the
one.
front?
It was like
It
right
was
on
on
the
the
side.
side.
Right there.
You were right there.
You had
Did
it.
it hit right here?
Yeah.
Oh god, I can't see the cup.
It was exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's a lighter
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh! That circled.
That was so close.
Do exactly that again. Oh! In and out. I'll take that. Guys, we're playing games and the dogs just want to be with us. They're sitting there looking outside the window.
Look at Pablo's tongue. He can't even breathe.
Pickle just looks evil.
No, Pickle's a good boy.
Flat on the ground, legs down, knees unbent, unbent, flat, unbent, flat knees,
Who said that?
flat hands.
She's just making shit up.
Everything's flat. Ready? Wait, can you use your
Oh my
hands?
god, yes.
Wait, you can use your
You
hands.
cannot touch the
No,
cup.
no hands.
Yes, to get up, you can use your hands. You cannot touch
to
the
hold
cup.
the cup. Not to hold the
Correct. Set. Go.
If it falls, you restart.
I'm up. Sierra will.
He tried to tease it. He was
You see how much taller I
I'll be
am?
honest, yeah.
Damn!
It was,
Let's go.
Yes, yeah.
I didn't even try to stand up. I was like going all slow and not seeing Sierra. She's
I
already
was
done.
surprised at how
Sorry, I threw that cup at you. Good job, Sierra.
1, go. Oh, Sam's gone.
Austin, it was wet.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Come on, Austin. Come on, Austin, go.
Come on, Sammy.
Austin.
Sam, watch your elbow.
Sam.
There, it's over, Austin.
Oh,
won.
he won.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, start over.
You did not get that last one.
You got time, but you sort of gotta hurry up. Take your time.
Oh.
So you know how the points work?
John, do you need
Same
help?
as the
Yeah, same as bag.
Three.
Go ahead.
All yours, right?
No, it's back and forth.
Center, 3 points. If you get it in here, it's 1 point. Anything out. Sorry, my bad.
Who's warming up, baby? Yummy. Yummy.
Alright guys, that wraps up tonight. It was so much fun. We loved all the games that we played, and now we're going home because we have church in the morning. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Love you tons and really, Chile. Bye!
And before you go, you should definitely follow my Instagram, my TikTok, because, yeah, bye!